So you guys are back for another video. I was just right here finishing the second recording of the episode 2 Minecraft. Now we're in episode 3. I think this Minecraft I will be making farms for animals so I can you know do my stuff to get more animal meat, animal stuff, whatever you call them. But yeah, I'm trying to grind them so I can get stuff and yeah. Hopefully um hopefully you guys are liking the content, because I don't know, some of you guys just don't like me playing Minecraft. It's okay, you can just tell me. Wait a second. Wait, what? Wait, wait, what? Oh, okay, never mind. I'm so, one IQ player. Imagine someone clip this. One IQ player. No, don't clip this, please. Please don't clip. Uh, what? Oh my! I don't know what to do right now, man. Okay, I need trees. That's what I needed. I need a lot of trees, so I can grow my own trees. So I don't need to run too far. Good. I'm gonna make a farm right here. Tree farm. Best for all of us, because we don't need to run like miles per hour to find nothing. Yes, I hear spiders, which I hate them. Wait, there's another log? Oh my, I didn't, oh yeah. Oh my god, I forgot. I need saplings so bad right now. Like, cause they're really useful. Yes, I got another sapling. We just need 2 sapling in 1 tree. That will work, cause I need, like, make a farm for more animals. You know, gotta make the stupid fence for chickens or cows or whatever you call them. There we go. Got 2 saplings. Okay. On my way, just gonna get some seed, and yeah. I think I am just gonna do that. Okay. This is episode 3, by the way, so hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe. If only uses statistics, only a small percentage of you guys are actually subscribing. So be sure to subscribe, like, and end the video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video, because if you guys don't, I will literally pull your finger out. Just kidding. Just kidding. Forget what I said. Just forget what I said. That was brutal, man. That was brutal. But yeah, if you guys just like my channel, just subscribe. Because I will be very good, because I really need subscribers right now. And if you guys actually help me hit 300 subscribers, I will be freaking out like a crazy dog. I don't know, but yeah. Help your little bro out, please. I can't believe that someone would actually subscribe my dumb channel for 200 subscribers. What? Well, maybe they just like my channel. Maybe. Okay, so this is the tree farm. We're gonna just let it chill for a second. I'm gonna try to get sticks out. We're gonna try to grind six. Okay, 3. Okay, we only can get 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We need to make. Okay, we definitely got enough. Definitely got enough stuff for. Dude, I'm recording. Thank you. Can you shut up, please? We need that. Yep, definitely. Of course, we need that. Just need that. We need these. We need that, and boom, 1 gate. Let's go. Okay, this is definitely all in camera. No jokes. can see it, it's proof in here. If you guys don't see it, I will literally, you guys literally will blow my mind because I will I will freak out if you guys don't see this on camera, literally on camera, and you guys don't see this. I would be so mad. But you guys are smart, so I don't need really care. Okay. We need siege. Where's family? Okay, I don't think you have family, but whatever. Come here. We need you to be in our first tribe of member. Come here. Yeah, just come here. Just come here. Should we just look at what? Okay. Let's just bring him in our little cell. And that door. He's stuck in there. I'm so sorry. I can't help you. Hey, sisters, I want your shears again. I'm gonna steal them from you. Just kidding. I'm so evil. Oh my God, there's honor down. Wait, what is that? Is it one of my expedition? I think so, guys. I think so. Yep, 100%, 100% my expedition. No matter what, we're getting our chicken farms today. No matter what. Just come, guys. Come. Chicken. Come on, you two. No. Just come this way. Yep. You go. We got a whole squad here. Let's go. Okay. Let's bring all this 4 chickens in here. Bring him to our little farm. Let's bring him to our little farm. Farm of chickens. Pig and whatever. I think I would not have time of making a pig, but yeah. Okay. No, guys. Hey, guys. What are you doing? You want to sleep? Yeah, just come here. Just come up here and then boom. Just jump up. Yes, jump up. Nice. And then you both. Okay, good. Can you feed anyone else? Okay. Too bad. Oops. I'm not letting you guys out. Okay, let's go find more chickens. Dude, he grown that fast already? Thank you. Cheers is good. Hey bro, you want water? Chill, dude. Nah. Shovel kill. Itler. Just kidding. He's dead, brothers, guys. He's dead. Whatever. We don't. Wait, what's the pig eat? Okay, pigs eat they eat carrots. So I don't need to care about them because I don't have to care for them. Maybe I would go for an expedition just in case if I need to use my coordinates to find a village. Cause yeah, I will need to find some chickens. I need chickens and stuff. This video will be a little bit boring, but yes, we got another chicken. Oh yeah, you are coming here. Okay, just stay there, my brother. Just stay there. Can you come into it? Thank you. I need to bring your brother too. Want some seeds? Okay, you both. Okay, we gotta bring your little mother here. Come here. Thank you. Oh wow, we just got 3 of them that quick. Okay. You're gods, guys. You can just fly. I can't do anything. I'm just so slow. If I can run faster than you guys, I can just eat you right now. You know, right? Yeah. So you better all come here. You better all come here. Come here. Come up. Come on. Just come up with me. Okay, just come with me, guys. This really takes me so long to actually do anything. Come on. Can you guys walk faster? No, I don't think so. Guys. Dude, Chicken Man, you dumb. Dude, come back. What are you guys doing? Dude, come back. Thank you. Three of them. This is gonna take for a while. You guys really so slow. You guys just walk faster a bit. I need to get you all your stupid friends and feed them and get babies. No. Come on, come on, come on. Come faster, come faster. Come faster, come faster, come faster. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on, please. Okay, we're too. Come on, is there any? There we go. Good, good, good. Anyone have love in there? Okay, cool. No, no, no. Go back in there. Oh, good. Maybe I should just set a trap right here so they won't leave, you know. So I can like go out and forth, but yeah, let's just go sleep right now. W.
Dream Alt says W.
What was that? What? What? Dreamo says W. What was that? Magic? Or is it just a ghost randomly talking to me? Who was that? Like, what was that? That was not even a human. Who was just talking to me? I swear. Dude, if you told me that's a narrator, like, that was a narrator. Thank you. Come here. You're joining one of my chicken families. I need a horse right now, because horse is really dumb. And I need a saddle for them. So, yeah, I think I will get a saddle. Whatever, just forget. We can just bring him to my little farm real quick. Let's just bring him to my little farm real quick. Yes. Guys, love, please, please. No! No, go back in there. Go back in there. Go back in there. Go back in there. Dude, go back. Dude, I swear, go back in there. Go. Mother. Yeah, fly in there. What are you doing? Get in there. Like, what are you doing? Okay, but if you want, come on. There we go. You little muffin head. Nope. You guys just stay in there, you stupid noob. I'm just gonna break this fence real quick, because I want a horse. I think I got a fence for building a horse. Where should I put my horse? I think I should put my horse right here. Right here. Perfect. I'm gonna take my leash, and I'm gonna take one of the horse, because I really need the horse. Do you even hear those noise that is coming out from this dumb cave? Okay, let's get this dude here. Hopefully you're fast, my guy. Imagine I'm just literally fast. Oh, I can't run anymore. I need to eat. Oh my god, bro. I need to break this thing real quick. I'm really kidding. Come on, horsey. You gotta be next. You're gotta be staying here. Cause I really need you. Okay, there we go. Oh yes, candy cake is done. We gotta take some sugar canes and then sort them real quick. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is like the first sugar cane farm I ever made. Doing the perfect one, cause How do I make saddles? That's the problem. This wasn't the fastest horse. I have no idea. Saddles. How to make saddles? How do you make saddles? I don't know how to make saddles. Saddle. Saddles. Is this how you spell? Is this how? Bruh. Bruh. What? Where is? No. Okay, I don't care. Where is my saddle? Saddles. Where is saddles? This is just leather armor. I don't need leather armor. Not this, not that, not this. Definitely not that, definitely not this. Oh my god, this is tiring. Oh my lord. Dude, I don't know how to make a saddle. You know what? I'm searching Google. I don't care. How to make saddles. Leather. What? Okay. Bruh. Horse saddle. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 5 saddles, which we only have 2 right now. And we need to go kill some horses in counter to get saddles, because we need 5 saddles and we only 2. And there's a couple of horses right here that I can kill, which they're probably gone now because they are afraid of me. They hate me. I'm getting so much wool, I swear. Oh, zombies. I really need some horses right now, so I really don't want to mess with you. Yes, there's the first horse right there. We can get rid of him. Let's see if he is useful or is he just trash. Come on. I need cereal. We just need one more. That's it. If I get one more saddles, and I'm gonna get a stupid chicken again, or if I get another saddles and make, I want to have this thing. Imagine the pigs push me. Nope, you guys don't want it, Chuck, because that's, dude. I want to, like, how do you even do that? Like, how do you even block like this? Oh, easy. That was easy. That was a lot easier than I thought it would be. Oh no. Bro, what is happening in upstairs? It's being so noisy right now. Just some hitting stupid floor or something. Is he jumping on the floor or something? I need wood. I need wood, please. Thank you. I need stuff. I need one more saddle. Okay, we just need one more saddle, then we are ending this video. I swear. We just need one more horse or a cow, which I can't find a single one, because this is probably a sheep place where I rarely see stupid cows. Did I swear I just heard a freaking horse? Dude, I swear I just heard it. Oh, where is the stupid horse? I wonder where is horses. I will literally kill them all when I see them. In case of my new horse called the Dumbass. I'm gonna name my horse to subscribers. Imagine imagine I made a name called Lame. Dude, that would be like stupid. Cause I don't know why, but it would be really stupid of making that name. Oh yes, I think I just found what I needed. Yes, 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 yes. Let's go, let's go. Wait, no, no, no. We need buried his. Okay, never mind. Let's bury his meat. Um, um, I'm sorry, cow. You were the sacrifice of the meat that um that you made for me. The fat meat. I was the one who's chosen to kill him. Now I grave his place. I grave his dead place, dead body. 1984, his body was right here. There, I graved his dead body. Blue clutch, block 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 clutch. Never mind. I never can block clutch. I feel bad. Like you know. I finally can make a saddle to literally ride on my new horse today. If I can ride on my new horse, bro, I will be like shocked. Uh, how do I make a saddle then? Not this, not that, not this. SA. Dude, this game sucks. Actually, AF. Okay, so me iron, dude, it's not even worth it. Like, what? I don't need this. Pretty sure it's like that. What? What? But it's like that, right? Or do my game mode just don't? I know. Just wait. I just don't know how to make a saddle though. That's the problem. How do you even make one? How do I even make one though? Let's see. Let's see. Nope. That's not how you. That's not how you make it. What? I'm confused. What? You make that saddle with strings. Literally with strings. What? That's how you make a saddle? I don't think you. No, that's not how you make a saddle. Nice scam. Bruh. What? Well, guys, I think I'm ending my video here today. This is episode 3. I got my my chicken farm so I can feed them. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you guys like it. Enjoy this video. Yeah. Have a nice day. Goodbye.